Yo, what is up, guys? How's it going here? Lazy Algo here, and welcome to the first ever series, guys, of my Python Bootcamp. Wow, man, I'm finally starting this thing, and it's crazy to me because I never thought I would be starting a bootcamp, but I'm starting one for free. It's absolutely free, you don't have to pay for it. So if you're new to coding, welcome to the first episode of Slaying the Python Bootcamp series. I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys. By the way, can you guys notice anything different, like about the visuals? Like, don't you love the quality? I look so good. And yeah, I got a new camera for this channel, guys, and I just feel, even though I'm still like early in my YouTube days, I just want to step up the quality for you guys. I want the quality to be nice. I want it to be good. Because it's not just about the content here. It's mostly about, how can I make it more visually appealing to you guys, and this is my way of doing that. So I decided to invest in one, so yeah, I'm so excited to use this new quality, to bring you guys top tier content. So stay tuned. Okay, so what we're going to talk about now is, it's the first episode of the Python Bootcamp. It's just going to be a bunch of intro stuff. I'm pretty sure most of you guys aren't even interested, in intro stuff anyways, because I think some people might have had some exposure to Python, but if you haven't, you can feel free to watch this video. So yeah, so Python was developed in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. And Python is a high-level language. And what do I mean by high level? I mean, it's very human readable. It's very easy to follow, and you don't get lost in basically the syntax and semantics of Python programs. So essentially what that means is, if I write Python code, someone else that has never seen code before can kind of pick up, kind of follow what the code is saying in a little way, compared to writing code in C++. So Python is an interpreted language as well. So by interpreted, I mean, basically your machine, your computer, reads Python code line by line, and it executes it line by line, rather than compiled code like C++ or Java. It's just really interpreted. So it's very easy to catch things like errors and bugs. So yeah, that's what makes Python awesome as well. I think the main reason why Python was designed and developed in the first place, it was so programmers can easily pass on their core concepts, without getting too lost in syntax. So you can easily communicate with other programmers. Also, I would say Python has 3 different iterations right now. It started from Python 1, Python 2, and now we're on Python 3. Python is also object-oriented. I will go into object-oriented programming as part of my series, but just know that Python is object-oriented and it's functional as well. Fun fact about Python, guys, did you know that the word Python was Googled more than Kim Kardashian and Donald Trump and Tom Cruise? That's crazy to me. I actually saw that fact somewhere. I was like, wow, is that even a thing? I feel like that has to do with maybe the actual Python snake as well, not just the language. So that probably added to, the search traffic and stuff like that. So essentially, when you learn Python, how do you apply it? What are the applications of Python? Well, Python is very versatile, guys. It's almost everywhere in every company, because there's just so much you can do with Python. So Python is used in web development. There's these frameworks they call Django and Flask. I'll get to what frameworks are later in the series, but just know Python is used in web development, even server side, backend development as well. Python is used to make Flash games, using there's this library called Pygame, which is very exciting. I might just go into that later, I don't know, because it's very fun to make games using Python, using the Pygame. I know Python is also used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. I know maybe some of you watching this video are interested in that, or are very curious about that. So we use Python for that as well. There are these modules called TensorFlow, which was developed by Google, and also PyTorch, which was developed by Facebook as well. but PyTorch is more like Python-esque in its nature. So yeah, and Python is using things like computer vision as well, with like OpenCV. So it's just a lot of applications. It's very vast, very versatile, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Like heading into this journey with you guys, I am so excited. So that's it, guys. That really concludes my first ever episode of Slaying the Python Bootcamp. Whew, I felt kind of weird because I have a lot of things to say in this first video, but then like I just don't want it to be too long, which is why I'm trying my best to really keep it short. But I don't even know where I'm rushing to, because we have all the time, guys. We have literally, I don't know, the rest of my life, if possible, to kind of like keep releasing episodes on like this series, because Python is very vast, and like I said, that goes the same for every other programming language there is. So yeah, I can't really do everything in one video. But like, I really hope you guys enjoyed this introduction. The next video, I think I'm gonna go into I'm actually not sure what it's gonna be. Like, I want to really make it step by step, so you can build on each other. It's probably gonna be maybe something centered around strings, or because I have another series, like the data structure series, as you guys know, that I'm doing. So like, I'm really not sure I'm gonna combine both of them, but like, yeah, I'll figure something out just so like you guys have a better experience. So yeah, thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you loved it and if you're looking for more content, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe once again, and click the notification bell. So it was nice having you guys with me in this journey. So yeah, you guys are awesome and I really appreciate it. Peace.